How to keep inventory in Minecraft. So first, make sure that your commands or cheats are turned on, and to do that, you simply need to click on escape, click on open to LAN, and make sure that the LAN command is set to on. Then just simply click on start LAN world. Now once that's done, what you want to do is just simply open up your chatting commands, then type in gamerule, just like so, and type in keep inventory. So set that to true, then click on enter. Now once that's done, so we are going to test it out. So I'm just going to get some logs here. I'm just going to set my game to survival, and I'm just going to drown myself first right here to show you guys that it really works. And here, as you can see, I'm almost going to be dead. And when I click on respawn, as you can see, I'll still have the log that I kept earlier. That's how I basically keep your inventory in Minecraft.